No, no, wait, that's the perimeter. On the east side, I'm the calm storm. Guess I'm something like a limiter. Yeah, I'm something like a limiter. She too much, I got a limiter. While me and bro in the back, yeah, sipping goose, no Canada. Sipping goose, no Canada. Sipping goose, no Canada. I'm the truth, let me show the proof. Looking super clean, no janitor. Super clean, no.
It's me with your reviews and like, subscribe button.
Yep. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Stevie D and I'm back again with another banger. Let me shout out my alpha generals, generalettes, alpha male and alpha females in the building. You heard what I got here for y'all today is another one banger piece, little pendant piece from Cernucci. You feel me? Comment, like, subscribe. I got another little reminder right after this, so stay tuned. Stay to the end for the diamond test and shine test. You know what I mean? Without further ado, you know what I mean? Let's get to the video. What's going on YouTube? What's going on? It's your boy Stevie D. Like I said in the intro, what I got here for y'all today is a baguette cross by Cernucci. You know what I mean? So without further ado, let's get to the video and let's see what's in this package, man. From what I hear, Cernucci has upgraded their inventory. They've upgraded a lot. So let's just see what they working with, man. You know what I mean? See the box. I think we've seen this box before. Nice design, Cernucci all over the place. Different kind of box. Y'all have seen this before. See that push tab button? Boop. Just push that through. Something different. Y'all know me. I'm a fan of different. Got a nice little black leathery pouch, dust pouch, if you will, with that golden Cernucci, you know what I mean, name across. You know what I want to ask y'all? What does Cernucci mean, or what is the name of the person, or who came up with this name? It's not a bad name. It's just, I just wonder where it came from, or where it originated from, you know what I mean? Got a nice golden zipper. Oh, wait a minute. We didn't even look inside the box, so let's put this to the side 2 seconds. Got a nice authenticity card here. Nothing I ain't never seen before coming from these companies, but it's not a bad touch at all. Can't even open this, man. You know what? I'm sure this is just authenticating where it came from. Boom, as you can see, authenticity and lifetime guarantee. I wonder if there's any truth behind these lifetime guarantees, but we'll eventually put it to the test on a video where I will test it out on one of my pieces that got damaged or a little tarnished, and we'll see if these things actually work. I'll walk y'all through the process and let y'all know if these cards from, you know, any of these other companies and Cernucci themselves actually work. But what I will tell you was very interesting that comes in this box that I just happened to notice, you know what I mean, that didn't come in any other box before. They come with these measuring tools. They're paper cheap, but what I believe to be true is that what's very interesting about it is I believe if you needed your wrist measured as far as bracelets, or if you wanted to see how long a chain would look, I believe this is what this is for. It's a nice little paper, yeah, bracelet size guide as it says, and this one is ring size guide. So shout out to Cernucci for this, because this is different. I haven't seen this come from any other company. So although it's paper, I will say difficulties, but I will say Cernucci has stepped their game up by giving us these things, because they probably noticed, you know, in all these jewelry companies and everybody, they probably had a lot of customer problems that, you know, buying things that's the wrong size, or people not understanding what their wrist or ring sizes are, man. Cernucci, this is what's up, man. This something like this to me as a consumer, as a buyer, you know what I'm saying, as a customer, speaks to, you know, something different, man, a different kind of presentation that they would give you something like this. I appreciate it. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this. Does this set Cernucci apart to speak to their customer service, or adding something? You know, it's like when the watches, when you buy watches from certain companies and they come with link removers, it seems like Cernucci has found a way, to set themselves apart from the rest of the pack. You know what I'm saying? Given these paper measurements, you know what I'm saying? I don't mean to try to diss them to say this paper, because how else are they supposed to do it? You know what I mean? But I feel like it's something greatly appreciated. I appreciate it. You could use this for whenever you're going to buy jewelry from them or anybody else in the future. So Cernucci, shout out to you for this presentation. I appreciate it. Good looking. Y'all let me know, as is the audience, what y'all think about that. Let's put that down 2 seconds. Let's get to the piece at task, or at hand rather. You know what I mean? You feel me? Boom. So this is the cross that I bought from Cernucci. You know what I mean? It's a baguette cross. Let's get it out of this plastic because you already know plastic beater, plastic beater. Plastic gonna always be the ops. But I don't gotta keep repeating it. And it came in another plastic. You know what I'm saying? To say that essentially, like I always say, if you're a newcomer, you'll hear me say this often, all the time, is that although we don't like plastic over here in GSG reviews, essentially it's for the protection of the piece itself. You know what I mean? So let's get this out this plastic. Sorry, I'll do it on camera so you're not looking at nothing. It's not too difficult. But hey, Sanucci, thank you for the protection. Thank you for the measurement tools. And we see that y'all stepping up your game in your own little way. We appreciate it, man. Thank you. Okay. So, man, this is why I say plastic be the ops, because it's hard to get these things out of it. So, boom. Here it goes, man. This is their baguette cross, and if y'all stay to the end, y'all will get a shine test and diamond test for entertainment purposes only, just to see if they should pass any of them, you know what I mean? But I like it, man. The only thing I would say, that's not a big issue, just for me personally as a consumer, when you see these pictures of these pieces appear to be a little bit bigger, but I'm not going to lie, this is not a bad size at all, you feel me? I like my stuff more humble, so it being smaller is not a problem for me. But for you guys, if y'all see this in the picture, it appears to be a little bit bigger, but this is the actual size, you know what I mean? But I like it because I like humble pieces. This is something I'm going to try wearing for a little while to see, you know, how it holds up and how it looks. I like it. Y'all tell me what y'all think about this, man. Got the baguettes in the middle, got the small baguettes off to the side. I believe it has a nice shine to it. In person, it shines really great. So maybe the video's not doing it much justice, you feel me? Got the Sanucci logo in the back. What do y'all think about pieces having their logos all over it, man? It doesn't bother me as long as it's out the way where it's not just bling blow in your face. But, you know, y'all tell me what y'all think. The fact that it's behind the cross and you can't really see it doesn't bother me at all. I like when companies brand their stuff, just not all over the place where, you know, you can't enjoy the piece without constantly seeing a logo everywhere. You know what I mean? But, and, you know, a lot of other companies are good with branding as well, too. But this right here, to me, is a win. I like it. I think it's a go for me. And then that little thing in the middle, you know what I'm saying? That stone in the middle has like a circle stone in the middle, or just circular due to the cut of the stone. Y'all tell me what y'all think of this, man. I like it. I think it's dope. I'll give y'all a visual at the end. Now I know what y'all want to know, man. Hey, yo, Stevie D, man. How much is that thing? That thing looks crazy. While I have y'all know, this baguette cross right here, this baguette beast right here that's shining like crazy, I paid a whopping $58 and change. I think it was $58.50 or $58.48, something to that effect. So roughly $60. Yeah, I said it. Roughly $60. Sanucci has stated that they're stepping up their quality of their jewelry, and they got some new different stuff, different than what they started out with. I don't know how y'all feel about that, how y'all feel about their original products, but this right here, I like it. I think it's something I would be wearing more often. Y'all tell me what y'all think about it, man. Like I said, stay to the end. I will have some different tests. I like it, man. For $58, it's not bad at all, man. It's not bad at all. I think it's worth the money, but y'all let me know what y'all think, man. You know what I mean? I like it, man. Nice baguette cross. See in the back. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too hectic. You know what I mean? So without further ado, there's not much more I can say about this thing, man. 1, 2, 3. I'm out. So what I got here for y'all right now is a nice little shine test with the baguette cross by Sanucci. You know what I mean? You might see a little hand, my little assistant trying to help me. There it goes. Trying to help me. This is the shine test. So what I got here for y'all right now is a diamond test with my new diamond tester that tests moissanite and other gemstones. As you can see, it does not pass. For this is for entertainment purposes only. You feel me?
1, 2, 3, I'm out.